Hello everybody, myself Prasad Jhoiki. I'm pursuing MBA in Global Business School, and let's talk about my favorite role model and my favorite leader, the cool captain MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni is born in July 7, 1991, and tomorrow was his birthday, and wishing him advance happy birthday to him. As a he is a great role model for me. He was very confident and cool captain I have ever seen. Let's discuss some of the leadership qualities which he had, and which from that skills he make the Indian team very proud at the time of his captainship era. Situation of his presence of mind that Bangladesh want to win the match. They want 4 runs from 3 balls, and the ball was in hand of Hardik Pandya. And the MS Dhoni as a captain helped the bowler to set up the field, and with help of that field, Hardik Pandya took 2 wickets from 2 balls. And Bangladesh was very and the favor of the game towards the India. That situation, he took one of his gloves to get run out easily, and he ran towards the wicket and took a run out from the last ball and win the match for the India. This and many other presence of mind situations are done by the Dhoni, which helps to India win the matches at critical conditions. And being a team player is very confident and upfront to the team to get all the things done easily and calmly as a captain. And one thing I want to tell about him that he won all the 3 ICC trophies, which was in first captain to win all the ICC trophies with his hard work and with his skills and leadership skills which he had. One bad situation he had in his life of leadership as Indian captain, that he lost the 2015 World Cup. After that, he is very tense about his team, but he was very confident and he moved forward and took a young team to the England to the Champions Trophy and makes the Indian team win that trophy and bring his confidence towards the team and in the minds of the people that he will be a great captain ever and ever for the Indian team. Captainship of his era, the Indian team is a more developed team in the world, that the developed team with young players and new face to the team that Indian team won from the last years. We want to learn from him that how we should be handle the pressure situations at the time of work, at the time in the corporate world. How should we take the decision in the calm and cool way, which helps to get the corrective decisions and accurate decisions which we want to be on the time, and we want to be honest towards the work, which helps them to build and move forward towards the work and we develop towards the work. MHD took always taking the feedback from his players about his captainship and how he is doing, and he always suggests the young players of Indian team to how to develop themselves at the situation, how and what the situations we want to do, what the work we want to do. He always be a teacher for the young players in the team. He took feedback and he correct the things, and he gives the feedback to the other players to what the weaknesses they had and how to improve that from that weaknesses. As a he work as a leader, as a teacher in the two ways for the team.